Hi guys, I'm glad you're all here. Thank you once again for joining me today. Late last night, early this morning, at 12:59, almost 1 a.m., there was a magnitude 2.2 earthquake there in New Hampshire. It was originally a 2.4, but I believe they downgraded it. 49 people said they felt it, and they gave it an intensity level of 5. It's like, what's going on here? Close to Winnipesaukee Lake, right here is where it was given an intensity level of 5, which means in that area it was felt by just about everybody. And there was some breakage, dishes, maybe windows, plasters in the wall, cracks in the wall, disturbance of tall objects. Maybe they had pictures falling off the wall. Now, according to the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services, this was printed in 2019, you guys don't have earthquakes there. At least along known fault zones. It says here observations along mapped faults in the state indicate that they are probably have not been active for approximately 90 million years or so. Recent work using a combination of historical accounts and computer modeling may have identified a linear fault in central New Hampshire. And on this paper here, it says an intensity level 5. Plaster falls, windows broken, and that should have been around a magnitude 4.3 right there. An intensity level of 3, which some areas have. Says it's slight, a slight earthquake, felt indoors like the vibration of a truck, with a magnitude of 3.0. Granted, this paper is from 2019, but yeah, how up to date is this is definitely not up to date, but here's the location of that 2.4, and there is this fault over here, east of it. This fault is actually about 25, maybe almost 30 miles wide. You know, it's not just that narrow little red line that I have drawn out. I did some research on it back on the 16th of April when there was that magnitude 2.6. And then we got a 2.2 over here, which was in 2020. July 29th of 2020, and then we got a 1.8. That was last year, August 11th. This area has had earthquake swarms in the past. Since 1638, there's been 65 earthquakes in New Hampshire that were above a magnitude 2.1. June 6th of 1638, there was a magnitude 6.5. Clusters of earthquake extending from Concord to Lake Winnipesaukee. They lie on a previously unmapped fault zone. Well, get out there and do some research. And there was a cluster January 6th of 2020. I assume that is Lake Winnipesaukee. And you can kind of see going towards the south, there's this line here, and then we got some down here to the east, and then up towards the north. Let me try and make that bigger. There you go. Down there at the bottom of this line of quakes, that's Concord. And the different size dots are from 4.5, 5.61, all the way up to 2.1. This here is a map of the recent magnetic anomalies. I've talked about the magnetic anomaly down here. The South Atlantic anomaly, which is actually dividing up now into 2 different blobs. But up over here by the United States, oh, look where it's at. Oh, gee. And this is happening because of the weakening of the Earth's magnetic field. One day the magnetic field will flip, but it's not going to do it overnight. It's going to take thousands of years, and during that time, magnetic north and south are going to be all confused, bouncing around the Earth like a ping pong ball. Yeah, so we got this anomaly right up there by New Hampshire. Yeah, it shouldn't surprise anybody that's keeping up to date with that information. And because of that, the continents are slipping a little bit easier. We're having an increase in earthquakes and, of course, volcanic eruptions. That goes along with it, too. But did you feel this earthquake? Did you have damage down there? Wolfboro, maybe? What else we got down here? Yeah, intensity level 5. I was quite surprised. Yeah, the intensity level was somewhere south of Lake Winnipesaukee. We got Guilford. Yeah, many of you watch my reports, so if you did, put that comment down below. What kind of damage did you have? How long did the shaking last? Yeah, I'm very interested, and I'm sure everybody else is interested too. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you.